Hi, it's David from Dataprobe, and I want to show you how to use AutoPing to trigger automatic power actions with the iBoot-PDU. So when we are talking about AutoPing, let me show you an example. This is the most typical application where the iBoot-PDU is pinging through the router and out to a target IP address. So as long as that target IP address is responding to the ping, we are validating the router, 3G modem, cable modem, whatever you're pinging through. If that stops responding, we will reboot the outlet that powers the router or whatever. So let me show you here on the iBoot-PDU. We've got a couple of auto pings already set up, and you can see they're working just fine. These cards can either be shown or hidden on the dashboard. And they also provide a wealth of statistics about the pinging that's going on right now. You can reset those statistics anytime. To get the auto ping going, we're going to click on Automation and then Auto Ping. So here are the auto pings that I already have set up. You can let me disable it so it's a little bit more contrast. You can ping a single target, as we're doing here. There's also a mode where you can ping multiple IP addresses with either an AND or an OR function. So here we're pinging the router IP address itself and something out on the internet. Once you set the parameters, here we've got the target IP addresses. The mode, of course, A and B, as I mentioned. This restart delay, after it does its function, it's going to stop pinging for some period of time that you set here. That allows the router or what have you to get back up and running before we start testing again. After the IP addresses, which can either be numeric or a target address, you set the frequency in how often the pinging will occur, how many failures it takes consecutively to create a failure, and how long we are waiting for the ping response. This really only needs to be set if you're doing something like a satellite system, which is kind of a popular application, something that needs rebooting. Once you get all those settings done, you have a choice between the advanced settings, which I'm showing here, where you can run a sequence for both the fail occurrence and the clear occurrence. And if you're rebooting, you can have a cycle count. The basic settings is a single outlet or the grouping of all outlets together. Then you can do a power cycle on that. And that would be the pretty typical application. We take the router, we would cycle it, we would give it 3 chances. After that, maybe we think something else is a problem, not the router, and we click save. To make it work, you need to enable it. Now I've changed from A to B to a single. This one's A and B. And this is just a single. So now it's disabled. Click on, and I didn't save it, that's what it was. Click save, and we're back up and running. So if you have any questions about how to use the AutoPing, how to get it running, or any other questions about how to use the product, please give our tech support department a call. We're always here to help. Thank you.